Introducing the electric portable 4-drop Maxi brick machine, designed for efficient, high-quality brick production. For this demonstration, we're using plastering sand. However, the recommended mix for durable bricks is 1 bag of cement to 4 wheelbarrows of river sand. Pour the mix evenly into the mold, ensuring it's well distributed for consistent compaction. Next, place the stamper securely on top of the mold. Turn on the vibrating motor to compact the mix thoroughly. The vibrations ensure the material binds tightly, creating strong, durable bricks. The electric portable 4-drop Maxi brick machine is the ideal tool for fast, reliable brick production. Compact, portable, and powerful, it's perfect for your construction needs.